Jai Hind and hi buddies, how are you? I think you are all safe by the grace of God. I am Priyanka from Telangana Social Welfare Residential Armed Forces Preparatory Degree College Women, Bongir. Today's topic is health versus money. We all know what is health, right? Yes. Health is nothing but the state of being free from illness or injury. And definition of health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of diseases or infirmity. And you all know what is money, right? Yes. Money is nothing but a current medium of exchange in the form of coins and banknotes. And definition of money is any item or verifiable record that is generally accepted as payment for goods and services. And now we understand what is health and money, right? Yes. Now we will go to know about what is wealth. Wealth is nothing but it is not having a lot of money. It's about having a lot of options. So you got the point of what is wealth, right? Yes. Now we will go to discuss difference between money and wealth. Money is anything which is widely accepted in payment for goods or in discharge of other kinds of business obligations. Wealth is a freedom, stability, a positive net worth, self-satisfaction, knowledge and careness. Now I want to give an explanation of health is wealth. When a person is healthy, he is capable of earning wealth. On the contrary, if one is not healthy, he or she can't able to survive. Then we can say that health is wealth. We all know what is health is wealth. It came from our elders. It's a proverb, right? Yes. We all know without health we can't do anything in our life, right? Yes. So we can say that health equals to wealth. By this health is wealth, we get the production happiness. For example, our present situation, we are in the war between coronavirus and people, means we. For this war, we have to use some weapons to fight with corona. Those are face mask, sanitizer, maintain distance, wash your hands, avoid touching and stay at home. These weapons make us to easily fight with corona, and these weapons give us success on corona. So we all should maintain the preventions and be a healthy person. If you save your health, then automatically you can earn more money easily. So save your health and earn more money. I hope you all understand what is our present situation and how the situations are arriving, and we should maintain health and wealth and money. So don't neglect health, money. If you neglect the health, you are the only one who is going to lose your life. So take care of your health and earn more money. Thank you and Jai Hind.